stiff competition.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
Say hello.
For anyone who doesn't know, this is our winner last year, Adrian and Hurricane. I would say the most incredible feeling watching that moment when Adrian and Hurricane won. Hurricane, are you excited? Yes, you are. She's very excited. Can I ask you a question? What is more nerve-wracking, being on the main show or this show?
I think this show, because this is very hard competition, because this is the best of the best.
Yeah.
When I got Hurricane, I never dreamed about performing in the best talent show in the world. Crazy.
She should be in a movie or a musical because she's a star.
When Terry said our name,
Adrian Hurricane!
it was the best moment in my life, because two things, winning and winning with Hurricane. We come to America's Got Talent to chase our dream together, and that's what we did.
Do you think she'll share any of the money with you?
I hope so. She's $1 million dog, look. Now, after winning Hurricanes, next dream is to be in a movie. The title is How to Stop a Hurricane. Yeah.
We've seen a lot of dog acts over the years.
Don't tell anyone, Hurricane, but you are my favorite.
How do you better what you did before?
I want to create like a sequel of the audition. I think it will be very funny.
To do something we've never seen before, that's really important.
To be the winner of Fantasy League, that would be amazing. We can wait to go back on that stage. Okay, honey, bye. Yeah, she's ready. Bravo, Hurricane.
All right, Piffles. This is who you're up against.
So, 3, 2,